Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. A few subscribers have asked that I do a review on CPABuild, so I'm definitely going to do it today. I'm going to tell you guys right off the back, I'm already liking this platform. It has a lot to offer, so let's jump right into it. It's not hard to sign up for. You pretty much just sign up for it, and I think you wait about a day or so to get approved. But other than that, it's just fairly simple. They have a lot to offer, so let's get right into it here. When you first get on here, you'll have your dashboard, which is what I'm on now. You know, it keeps control of your income here, clicks, leads, earnings, so everything is like right here. When you click here, you click on payments, you can see how much you got paid, all that, your balance. And then as well as up here, they'll have, you know, how much money you made on the month, the week, the day, and the hour. So that's cool. Everything is really nicely laid out. So I do like that about it. Now when you come over here to your left hand side, you'll see forms. So when I click on forms, this is pretty much an area where if you're a new member or if you're just somebody who's needing, you know, answers on how to work certain things, you can come here. And they have a bunch of different topics and things that they go over to teach you, you know, certain things. If you want to ask questions, you just click on new post. You can come in here and you know, find out how to get traffic and all kinds of different things like that. If you're having a payment issue, they pretty much answer all that. So you can pretty much get help. They have a support group, which is really good, and I like that about this one. If you click here on events, okay, you're gonna get paid $5 just for signing up to CPAElites.com. It's free to sign up, so it looks like this. You'll pretty much create a login and password, and that this section right here is pretty much another form, but it's just gonna be a bunch of different things teaching you how to get traffic. You can ask a lot of questions from top, you know, CPA guys and things like that. So, but it's actually under construction right now, but you can still sign up and you should receive your $5 into your account just by doing that. So that's pretty cool. And then if you click on offers, so let's see what kind of offers they have, guys, so that way you can see if this is something that you want to get into, if this network is something that you want to get into. One thing that I noticed off the back that was really cool is they have this payout button, so you can see how much you want to get paid out with your offers. So if you're looking for the big bucks, you can drag this all the way up here, or you know, you could just leave it here, and you can control, you know, how much you looking to get paid per offer. Now some of these, I guess they haven't added some of these top offers yet, because I don't think they have any $50 offers. But what you can do here is on your countries, you just click here, you can find your country, or you can type it in. So if you're in the United States, you just click, you know, United States here. And then the rest of this stuff you don't really have to worry about unless you just want to add, you know, get real specific with it. And then you click search, and then right here at the bottom, they'll have a bunch of different offers, guys. Okay, and so we're gonna zoom in here so you guys can see the payout. Now, as you can see, some of these payouts, you know, are fairly pretty. They're pretty good. You know what I mean? If you want to get to the higher payouts, you just click once and then click again, and then these are the pretty much the highest payouts for the United States. So $4.40, and then they'll tell you exactly what it is. It's a mobile install, so they're gonna have to install something on their phone. The device works with iPhone, iPod, and iPad, so no Android phones will work with this offer. And then if you come over here, you can actually just click on it to see exactly what it is that you'll be promoting. And if I zoom in just a little bit, I can come over here and then click preview to see what it is I'm going to be promoting. So this is what it looks like at the Apple Store. So those of you who have iPhones, this is what it'll look like when you look at it on your phone. You'll have a download button. So pretty much they would just have to download it, install it on their phone, and you would get $4.44 or 40 cents, something like that. Let me go back. Yeah, $4.40 just for them downloading that on their phone. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then let's look at a couple of other offers. Like they said, they got the Red Lobster ones, and I think these are just the email submits, kind of like CPA Grip. So let's click on a couple of the other higher payouts and see what kind they have. This is for Android, so you'll get $3.68. So we'll click on preview right here to see what this one looks like. And so pretty much, like I said, they'll have to, you know, install this and The one thing I don't like is that they don't tell you exactly what needs to be done. Let me type in CPA build again. They don't tell you exactly what needs to be done though, and that's one thing that I don't like. As far as let me raise this up just a little bit so I can see where I'm at. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so what I mean is, like, they'll tell you you'll install it, but that may not be all you have to do to get the conversion. And so that's one thing I didn't like. So I'll go in here and show you what I'm talking about. Let me click back on the payouts. Oh no, that's a different country. So usually, let me show you this real quick. Usually different countries, guys, have higher payouts always. So if you guys are into running ads, then I would run ads towards this country here, France. You can get $15 and they'll let you know it's a credit card submit. Okay. And so let's see here. This is what I was talking about, because on certain platforms they'll tell you exactly, you know, what needs to be done. But as far as this one, it'll say a mobile install, but sometimes, you know, they may have to do a little bit more than just install. So for this one, it says a mobile install. So maybe if they just install it, you'll get $3. I would definitely come in here and try that. So I'm going to try it as well. And then I'll probably make a couple more videos just to, you know, see how it went. But other than that, so that's the offers, guys. When you click on offers and all that stuff, the locker rules. Let's see what this is here. Not sure what this is. Yeah, so we'll skip that. Let's go here to templates, and templates is where you're going to get your you can check out a bunch of different lockers that's already made. So if I click on templates and stats, this is how you can come in here and kind of just browse around at other people's lockers and their landing pages. So for instance, if I come down here, I can just click on a random one. So I'll click on this Asphalt Legends one. And you pretty much do the same thing here. You will click on preview, and let's just take a look to see what it looks like. So as you guys can see, their landing pages are amazing. They have, you know, a bunch of different things popping up here. So it looks really, really good. Then they also have a video here of this video game so that people, you know, they'll come in here and watch it. They also have comment sections down here that's constantly changing with the time of the day. And then they have all these pre-written comments in here that's really dope. And you don't have to update any of this stuff. It updates automatically on its own. And so what people would do is they can come here, watch a, you know, a video of the game. This landing page is really, really nice. So yeah, they'll watch that, and then they can come down here, and I'll just show you guys how this pretty much works. I'll just put in any kind of username, blah, blah, blah. I'll click Android. You'll click how many tokens you want, and then you can click how many credits. Okay, we'll say no on that, and it'll say generate now. And what this will do is it'll start generating. Okay. And then at the end, they'll fill out a locker, and then they'll be able to get stuff. So what I like is it shows failed to connect. So people are like, oh man, I failed, but then they'll say successful. Okay. And then it'll just keep attempting. So it goes through this generating process, which is really good, and it looks really, really professional. So whoever made these, or, you know, they did a great job with this. It's a verification is required right here. And then it'll go down to the bot, and then your human verification pops up. And so it says you must prove that you're a human, and then they'll go through one of these. They'll show you which ones are easy, and then the ones that's the hardest. I think these may pay more, but you know, people are gonna go for the easy ones, and you'll probably get like $1.60 or whatever. So I really like how they set this up. It's really nice, and you can't even click off of these, I don't believe. And then also they have a NBA Live one as well, just like this. So let me show you this one. So this will pretty much show up like this, which is really nice. So show basketball games, same thing, right? The background, everything is nice. you'll pretty much do the same thing, username, and then come here, they can select the cache, and then they'll generate now, and it'll go through the same process. So all these are pretty much the same. If this platform is really confusing to you and you rather use CPA Grip and you want these landing pages, all you have to do is right click, like I told you guys before, click view page source, copy this, go to CPA Grip to your content locker and paste it in there, and then you'll have this actual thing on CPA Grip. So if CPA Grip is more familiar to you guys. But let me go back to CPABuild if I can find it. Let me see here. There we go. So now I'm back. So let me go back into the templates. So if you click on templates, I was on the templates and stats. So the templates and stats is pretty much how you find other people's landing pages that you can kind of piggyback off of. If you want to build your own, you just click here and then you run through here. And so they have a bunch of different ones. If you want yours to look like the game ones, kind of like these ones, these are the game lockers, and they look really good. You can actually change it to whatever you want to, whether it's YouTube views or whatever it is. You can do that. But so they have the game lockers, the mobile ones, the simple ones, the video generated lockers, the gift cards, movies. So they have all these different templates, and you can just pretty much click on them. And then you can just create, the modification, which is just, you could just put your name in there and then another name here. And then you will go down here and it'll pretty much walk you through it. So you'll put the movie name, the movie year, an image off of Google. So if you, for instance, let me go to Google and you'll just type in a movie cover or whatever movie it is. And you could just grab that artwork. And then, so let's just say you decided to grab this one here. You'll just save that to your computer, and then you would come here and upload that image there. And then, how long did you want the movie to be? An hour long, 2 hours long. The rating on it, you could do 100% ratings or whatever. The movie, you want to auto play when they click it. And so they have all this stuff set up for you. Do you want it to say human verification? Do you want it to be a Snapchat thing? Do you want it to be a Xbox? It just depends on, what you want your locker to be. So they have all these set up, YouTube, iPhone X, just all kinds of stuff. I usually probably do human verification. And then you would just save and preview. And then after that, you can just make public. And then your actual landing page, other people will be able to use it as well. And that's pretty cool. So let's go here to content lockers. It's pretty much the same thing if you want to build your own locker. But if you want to browse other people's lockers, you can just click lockers and stats. And then, like I said, the same thing. You could just come here, click on someone's locker, and then go to preview to see how theirs look. This is an Instagram one, so this is how this person's look that they made. So if you like that one, you can use it. Okay. Let me go back to CPA because I think I clicked that way. That's Grip. My bad, y'all. CPABuild. I keep clicking out. So we're going to go back to the content lockers. And so if you like, you click on other people's, lockers. If you like it, this is a TV locker. Not sure what this one looks like. But if you like it, oh, that's very, very plain. I would never use that. Looks terrible. So like I said, if you see something that you like, you can use that one. But if not, you could just go here and build your own where it says build and modify locker. So you do the same thing. You either want a human verification one, a visual edit, a mobile install one. And you just do the same thing. You'll click it, put your name in there, another modification name. You'll just come down here and pick the colors that you want. And I believe you can add images and do all that stuff as well. So it's pretty much a basic walkthrough. You just walk through each step, change it, and then you can come down here at the bottom and save and preview it and all that. So they have a lot of stuff in here, and it gets kind of confusing, but over time you'll get it. Same way with build. More templates, guys. They just got all kinds of different templates in here. Now deploy. This is where you can actually save your actual landing page if you want to download it and edit it, but I kind of taught you guys how to edit it already. If you just want to do the view page source, you can kind of edit it through the HTML. But if you just want to, deploy it, you could download whatever little software they have here, and then whenever you want to download your actual link, or your actual landing page, you can do that. So that's pretty much how you do that. And then as far as links, smart links, I think these are like trackers, how you can track your stuff. Other than that, they give you your stats, and then the legacy stats, which is your lead list and commissions. So how many leads you got for the day, your commissions, but they kind of show that on the dashboard. So then your inbox and referrals. So guys, that's pretty much it for CPABuild. I give this a 10 out of 10. They have a lot to offer. I would definitely sign up for this platform and give it a shot. I'll probably be messing around with it a lot more to see, you know, how the commissions work, if they're fast or slow, and things like that. So hopefully this video gave you some insight. Come in here, you guys create some pretty dope stuff. Let me know if you want to see more videos on CPABuild, or if you just want to see more videos on CPA Grip, or whatever you guys want to see. Comment below, and I'll definitely try to make videos catered to you guys, because you guys are the ones helping the channel grow. So any way I can help, I'm definitely excited to do that. Other than that, I am out. Peace.